say I'm balancing the earth.
They call me Tangaroo, the East Wind.
On behalf of Dole, welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. To avoid distracting our performers, we do ask that you please silence your cell phones and no flash photography or video lighting. You are welcome to enjoy refreshments during the show. Just please be sure to take any empty containers with you to deposit in the appropriate bins when you exit. And if you do need to leave the theater during a performance, we'll use the door on the far side there. That's also our exit at the end of the show. It's open right now. That's going to close during the show. Not to worry if you do need to leave. Yeah, just give that door a push. You'll be free as a bird. Bird? Sorry, guys. And now if you could all help me wake up our master of ceremonies. On the count of three, we're all going to say, wake up, Jose. All right? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Jose!
Oh, buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Here, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole, it's showtime.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room,
All the birds in work
and the flowers grow. In the tiki room,
welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd think the audience too.
all together in the tiki room, in the tiki room,
All the birds sing words
and the flowers grow. In the tiki room,
I sing so beautiful, I should sing so low.
See, so low we can't hear you.
my voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? Oh, I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws. And a fine feather friend is a jolly toucan. And two can sound better than one toucan can.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room,
All the birds sing words
and the flowers groom. In the tiki room,
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strong they can cough and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
A little softer. A little louder.
all the birds sing words and the flowers groom.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand.
Applaud, applaud.
Yeah, you down there, with both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is. We present the Enchanted Fountain.
Ach, ja, and a wunderbar Birdmobil, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a Birdmobil.
Look, here come the girls.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the funny bergère with all the feathers, there's Colette. Hello, Colette. Suzette. Hello, Mimi. Gigi. Fifi. Fifi. Don't Fifi.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all sing like the birds sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 my, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, Mimi, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words. Sing along with us.
Now we want two people down there to sing along with us birds up here. All together now. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all warble like nightingale. Give your throat a treat. Take your time from the birds. Everybody whistle. Applause, that was so good.
Wunderbar, wunderbar. Give yourselves a hand.
Ah, that was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the birds stand still and the Tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
was ist los? Ach, somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Mesdames, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happen here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their fling. You've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
A standing ovation. Applause. Down there, applause. Everybody stand up on your feet. Hooray!
And now, as long as you're all standing,
we have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.